Okay, good afternoon, guys. Now I will teach all of you how to create P symbol. Okay, P symbol. Okay, let's try to create maybe rectangle. Yeah, have weights. Okay, maybe okay. Yeah, this full of P maybe. Yeah, okay. Control C, Control V, and you can use Control to hold and move the copy of rectangle. Okay, use this. Yeah. Okay, now try again. Control C and V. Uh, we can rotate to 90 degrees. Okay, let's try. Yeah. Okay, maybe like this. And we can use uh, shift and then click, and we can align and distribute on top maybe. Okay, right. Now we can make this group and then make center on this group object. Okay, right. Yeah. Okay. Now we can try to uh, yeah make a quarter of circle. Okay, let's try. I want to try from this. Yeah. Maybe diameter. Wait, sorry. Diameter. Okay. And I know this have height 80, 18 millimeter. Yeah, can use concept B. You can mix like this. Maybe the 60. Okay. 42 millimeter. Yeah, now. Oh, sorry. This 18. 18 berdepan. Wah, okay. No, no. Wait. Okay, okay. Please, yeah. Hmm, or wait, nope. I think this, yeah. Okay, take this center top, and center vertical center. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Now want to make this combine. Okay, combine. Wait. Okay, you can use this. Okay, to save with a view object. Okay, let's try to here. Move to wait. Okay, think this, yeah. Okay, let's try to use uh guideline. Yeah, view snap to guideline. This with you. Snap to create. uh, Gray hue. Okay, let's change here. Okay, let's try. Okay, yeah, can use shaping. I think intersect. Yeah, the intersect with this. Okay. Ah, okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, let's try. So maybe this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, maybe this. Yeah. Control C, Control E, and we can move, rotate. Maybe 100. No. After that, we can transformation, position, and flip vertical. Okay. Okay. Saya. Okay. Okay. Move. Okay. Sorry. You snap to object. Okay. Snap to object ya. Snap to object. Okay. You can check. Okay. Tip. Yeah. Okay. You can use well, quick well, shape. Okay. Yes. Hold, and we can create a circle maybe. Okay, let's try and make a center vertical, center horizontal, and we can give her color. Okay, can make color. Okay, no line, but we can expand to make a look good. Look good. Okay. Oh, the shape. Yeah, maybe this. Okay, it's finished. Okay, thank you for watching. Uh, we can meet another time. Okay, thank you.